Hey there, my name is Julie, and I'm part of the leadership team here at Arcos Storage. I'm here to tell you a bit about the position we're hiring for and why it may be a great fit for you. We're currently looking for a long-term associate who's self-motivated, reliable, and genuinely enjoys helping people. If you're someone who's excited to grow with a company, learn new things, and be part of a team that truly values both its employees and its customers, you may love it here. We work in the self-storage industry, and honestly, it's a great field to be in. People need storage during big life moments, moving, starting a business, going through transitions, and we get to be the steady, supportive team behind the scenes. It's a stable, recession-proof industry that's continuously growing, offering a lot of opportunity for those who want to grow with it. So let me give you a quick idea of what this role includes. You'll be working independently and as part of a team. You'll do some administrative work and routine office tasks, managing accounts receivable and processing payments, renting storage units and helping tenants. And you'll also be answering some phone calls and performing daily security checks of the property. We're looking for someone with excellent communication skills, a positive attitude, and a willingness to learn. We have a real passion for what we do, so we only ask that you do as well. We're opening to hiring someone either part-time or full-time, so don't hesitate to apply because of your availability. If you're the right fit, we're happy to work with you on that. The one non-negotiable is Saturdays. We do need someone who's available to work on Saturdays as part of their regular schedule. So here's what we're asking. Along with your resume, we'd love for you to make a quick Loom video. Just introduce yourself, tell us why you think you'd be a great fit for Arcos Storage, and anything else you'd like us to know. It doesn't have to be long or fancy, just be yourself. But please don't read from a script. We really want your personality to show. Once your video is ready, include your Loom link with your resume when you apply. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing your video. Best of luck!